Welcome back everybody to the channel where we will conduct a live analysis of whatever random coin I come across. And this time it is the Shiba Inu coin. So SHIB, SHIBUSDT. So is it a interesting coin worth investing in, or is it just full of shit? Let's have a look, shall we? So a bit of background information. I came across this from one of my crypto millionaire friends also, Davis. So he's a strong believer and a strong investor in this. I'm not quite sure why. It's one of those, to my understanding at least, it's one of those meme coins, I guess, like on the same same level as like Doge or something. So let's see if his belief has any merit. Alright, so as always we will start with the longer time frame, 1 day, the daily chart. But as you can see, it's a very new coin. So there is nothing much to speak of, at least on the daily chart. Even on the 4-hourly chart, it's still kind of short. So let's jump straight to the hourly chart. I have a suspicion that this is gonna be a very quick video. Alright, okay, hourly, right? Let's see, hourly. As the longer time frame suggests, it's one of those coins where it started as a joke and then everybody hopped on the bandwagon. But as you can see, because due to the lack of like use case or lack of whatever reason, right, strong fundamentals, the value kept crashing down. And of course, like during the 19th or whatever, its case wasn't helped by the Great Depression over here. But no worries, let's keep our minds open and see what's up with this coin. So you can see here, I'm just going to zoom right in. Alright, there seems to be a zone of consolidation over here. Right, over here. And if you stretch it out, right? Okay, at least we stretch out to the near future, not the recent past. You can see it's either below this zone or above this zone. What does that mean? Nothing really of interest at this point of time. We'll come back to that later. This in particular is very interesting to me. Let me zoom this in and record it for reference later. This thing here. Delete. Let me just highlight this box. Let's come back to this later. I think it's gonna be interesting over here, as well as this one. I love looking at like strong, unchallenged rises or dips. This gives some insight about, to me at least, some insight as to the background of the coin. So we'll come back to that later. So you can see the lows are pretty much the same, pretty stable. There used to be an interesting channel here, so like a higher high here, right? And there used to be so you can see something like that. So as always, if it entered the channel downwards, it will exit the channel downwards, and then it has started ranging a little bit, ranging around this area. So with how long did this last? Let's see. So it's been ranging for around 3%, plus minus 3%, or rather to be more specific, plus minus 1.5% for the past 2 days now. That's interesting. So for the past 2 days. No real sign of any breakout anytime soon. Okay, so now let's check out these three points of interest. Let's hop on to the 5-minute one. 5-minute chart. You can see so much more active here. Okay, so as you can see here, ranging yeah, nothing interesting to note, I would imagine. It's just ranging. And it's ranging within a very tight percentage. So there's, in my opinion, there's nothing worth looking at. Okay. So as you can see, right? Why did I highlight these three spots? So this is the first spot, second spot, and then a third spot. Okay, so let's talk about this first. First spot. So when it comes to such a long spike, long unchallenged buy trend, I just changed to the minute chart. Let's have a look. Oh man. So yeah, even on the minute chart, there are long unchallenged buys on every minute basically. So this is usually indicative of what's it called? Institutional buying. Yeah, see, same here. So institution has kicked in. So perhaps some fund managers somewhere like Davis, he saw there's an opportunity, like there's a strong bull run, bull retrace a little bit, and then bull. So they thought, hey, let's make a quick buck, pump in, and then take profit here, and then everything came tumbling down and started ranging a little bit more here as well. So sometimes, like institutional investors, they are also like a bit how do you call it, frustrated by the whole range, the whole sideways movement of the market, and so they decided to cash out. And so this can happen as well when they cash out. So back to the 5-minute chart. Yeah, so when they cash out here, this is what happens typically. Here also, you can see it's very clear. So investing in Shiba as a short-term intraday trader, I wouldn't bother. Honestly, I don't think there's anything in it. In my opinion, like, look at this, right? Even if, so it's been ranging here. All right, let's just do a quick analysis, right? So it's been ranging here. Lower highs, higher lows, sorry. And pretty much this channel, ascending wedge. But because we know that this is like this, it's gonna be like this. So even if out of some pure dumb luck it hits the next pivot point, right now it's at just below this pivot point. Just out of pure dumb luck, that surpasses this pivot point and then surges up to this. Just looking at a 1%, 2% increment, and that, to me, that's, man, save your money. Save your money. So don't bother there. For a short-term intraday trader, there's nothing to look at. How about for a long-term trader? Okay, man, long-term's even worse. I mean, just look at it. You don't need any technical expertise to realize that this is kind of a lame coin, lame investment. Yep. Nothing to look at really. If you got in here, congratulations, I suppose. Yeah. But other than that, no, it's a pretty low-key, low volume as well. Look, it's just such a low volume, low trading volume. It's honestly not worth the effort. Even out of curiosity, right? If someone bought it here and sold it here, well, that's nice. That's nice. But too bad. That's a shame. So, from the way I see it, there is a possibility, right, that it can range from, it can go sideways all the way to like here even. Let me just draw that properly. Right, so it can range from here to here even, maybe. So we're looking at another ranging period of another like 6 days or so, right? And even if you caught the bottom, the absolute bottom here, we're just looking at a 4% upside. Man, trust me, there are much better coins to look at, to put your money in. Yeah, so stay away. That would be my advice from Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu coin. Shiba, SHIBUSDT. Right? Nothing really worth looking at. Yeah, so this has been yet another interesting analysis, right, for the Shiba Inu coin. I don't think there's really anything worth investing here. You will definitely have better chances, better rewards elsewhere. And if you found, hopefully you found this content useful. If you found it useful, do consider liking and subscribing. Or else, you could always leave a comment on how, what would you like to see, and perhaps we can implement this for you. If you have any charts or any questions that you like to you need analyzed, do drop me in drop in the comments as well, and I'll definitely take a look at it. Well, hopefully you found this useful, and till next time, I will see you soon.